The duck pond. As they cycled along, the family came across a sparkling pond. Sunlight danced on the water. "Look at the ducks!" Anya shouted. She skidded to a stop and pointed excitedly. Adit leaned on his handlebars and peered closer. "Oh, nice! What colors can you see, Anya?" Anya looked thoughtfully at the ducks. "I can see one brown duck with a green head, one with white wings, and one with a bright yellow beak." "That's right," Mum beamed. "Ducks come in so many beautiful colors." "They look so fancy," Anya giggled as a duck flapped its wings, splashing nearby. "Careful, duck," Dad chuckled. "You'll get us all wet." Adit laughed. "Maybe he wants to join us on our colorful adventure." "What's your favorite color, duck?" They watched the ducks waddle and paddle happily, then hopped back on their bikes, ready for more fun.